Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Honor 100 Pro just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate OLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, fast wireless charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Honor 100 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the Honor 100 Pro in a white box. Let's take off the plastic wrap and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a Type-C to Type-A cable and a 100W power adapter with a Type-A output. There's also a transparent case with textured inner sides. This is the Honor 100 Pro phone. Now, let's talk about its design. When you look at the front of the phone, both sides have a slightly more curved shape, and there's also a gentle arc at the top and bottom. But the top and bottom parts of the Honor 100 Pro are not as curved this time. However, compared to other phone brands, most Honor phones usually come with a quad-curved display. The Honor 100 Pro comes with a default screen guard on the display, and you can see a capsule notch at the center, also known as a dynamic island. When you look at the back of the phone, the sides are curved just like the front, including the top and bottom sides, giving it a comfortable feel in hand. The frame of the phone is quite slim, and metal isn't used to keep it light and thin. The biggest change this time is seen in the design of the camera module, which is unlike any other phone. Instead of round or square, the Honor 100 Pro features a regular-shaped camera module. In this Honor 100 series, two models have been launched, the Honor 100 and the Honor 100 Pro. You can see the camera module on both phones, and even in the Honor 100 Pro, the border of the module is in a different shape. When you look at the phone from the side, the module may seem a bit raised. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom firing speaker. Since the phone's frame is made of plastic, you won't see an antenna strip here. There's also a speaker at the top, so the phone comes with stereo speakers. The Honor 100 Pro weighs 197 grams, which isn't too heavy, making it comfortable to hold. Its thickness is also 8.2 millimeters. When you look at the front of the Honor 100 Pro, the first thing you notice is the eye-catching camera cutout, which is similar to the dynamic island on iPhones. Such a design is less common in Android phones, but unlike iPhones, this notch doesn't come with special features. The main feature of this notch is indeed for taking selfies. The display has diamond-like pixel arrangements, and it offers a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The Honor 100 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED display with a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits. Talking about the performance of the Honor 100 Pro, there's a significant improvement this time as it comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The highest variant offers 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, ensuring exceptional performance. Let's talk about the camera of the Honor 100 Pro. It features a rear-facing triple camera setup. The primary camera is 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization. Alongside, there's a secondary 32 megapixel telephoto lens and a third 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, you'll find a 50 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Let's talk about the battery of the Honor 100 Pro. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 100W wired charging, which can charge the battery up to 50% in just 10 minutes. Additionally, it supports 66W wireless charging, which can fully charge the battery in 52 minutes. As for the price of the Honor 100 Pro, the base variant starts from 33.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £370 in the UK and up to $470 in the USA. In conclusion, the design of the phone is superb this time around, with outstanding performance and an above-average camera. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.